Welcome back to my channel, Mishti Seva Gracias. Today, let us learn about gluten-free orange masoor dal cutlets. These cutlets are crispy from outside and has a soft kebab-like texture from inside. And the best part is that you can prepare it one day ahead for your kids' school breakfast, for pot lunches, and even for kitty parties. So it's going to be very helpful for all the mommies over there. Let's get started. The ingredients we need are 1 cup masoor dal, 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions, 1/4 cup coriander finely chopped, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon mango powder, 2 tablespoon cooking oil and salt to taste. Just wash the masoor dal. Now let me add some water and soak it for 40 minutes. So guys, you can see that I have strained the water. Now let's grind it using very little water. See, I have finely grinded the masoor dal. You have to remember that you have to put very little water or don't put water. 2 tablespoons of oil in a heavy bottom pan. Add cumin seeds and asafoetida and roast it till it changes color. Add half the chopped onion. Fry it till onion turns brown. Add masoor dal paste in the pan. Roast over low heat, stirring continuously till it turns light brown in color. Your dal will be ready when it leaves the sides of the pan and all the moisture is evaporated. Like this. Now transfer it to a bowl and let the mixture cool down little bit so that it becomes easy to handle. Now let's add the remaining ingredients into the mixture and mix it nicely. Combine it nicely. So guys, you can see it's done. Now let's move on to our next step. Now grease your baking tray or a large plate with little oil. Now put the mixture and evenly spread the dal mixture in the tray with 1/4 inch thickness. So guys, you can see I have evenly spread the mixture. The best way to spread the mixture is using your hands. In the fridge for 10 minutes till it becomes firm. So guys, you can see that I have removed the mixture from the fridge and it has become firm. Now let's give it a desired shape. So you can see I have given this a square shape. See, at this stage you can keep the cutlet inside the fridge and fry it as per your convenience. Now let's heat the pan and pour some oil. Now place the cutlet on the pan. Pour some oil on the cutlets and cook it on low flame. That the cutlets are looking very crispy and it's time to remove. Look how crispy it is. So guys, you can see our gluten-free cutlets are ready. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video and hit the bell icon. Bye.